Good afternoon, everyone. It's 12 p.m. right here in the city of Ibadan, and we are excited to have our third edition of our live session. I am Adewumi, and here with me is
Deborah again.
Yes, here is a quick recap of our last session. In our last session, we discussed about our location in the southwestern part of Nigeria. We also explained the 3 tiers of scholarship opportunities with a condition to apply for admission. Debbie, a lot of people have been asking me how I want to apply for scholarship. Then I told them that you have to apply for admission. Apply first, because they just want to apply for scholarship without admission.
Okay, you have to gain admission into the school before you apply for scholarship. Today is very straightforward. We'll walk you through the AI Development Bootcamp program, what it is, how it works, what makes it different, and what you stand to gain. By the end of this session, you should be able to decide clearly if this is something you would like to opt for. If you are here, it means you are curious about the tech, about AI, or about building your career. I want you to know that you are in the right place.
Yes.
Your future starts with just one decision, which is enrolling in a competence-based learning university. Let's start with a simple observation, Miss Rome. A lot of people are interested in tech. We all know that.
Of course.
Everybody wants to do tech bro, tech sis. A lot of people are starting to learn it. Not just saying that I want to go into tech.
They like the tech enthusiasts,
they started learning it.
Okay.
But very few people actually get to the point where they can say, I have built a real product. That is usually a gap between learning and doing. This program is designed to close that gap. That is why we, American Open University, are here for you.
So now I'll walk you through what it takes to go from zero to building a real app in just 5 days. Debbie, people have been asking that, I want to learn AI development, I want to learn AI engineering, I want to learn this and that, I know learning all these tech skills, it takes a lot of time. Yeah. Even you spend your resources, your money, you invest a lot of time
in the long run.
And the point is
that the sacrifice is worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. But in our own case, you learn for free. Yeah. Do you understand?
This program is for free, if you guys don't know.
Yes, you learn for free, because this kind of opportunity now, if you were to be other organizations, they can tell you that this is going to be like 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira.
50 cents is too small.
Yes, and we're doing this for free. Wow. It can only be American Open University.
Exactly.
Yeah, you heard me right. So it can only be American Open University that will give you the opportunity to learn a tech course, in 5 days for free, without collecting anything, not a dime from you. And not just that alone. We'll be talking about it in our
exactly.
Yes.
As we go, you get to know more.
Okay. So most learning systems today follow a familiar pattern, which is you study, you take notes, and you eventually graduate from the university. I remember when I was still in school, then what we just do is just the rote learning in terms of you go to class, you memorize and all, you write exams,
read to pass.
Yeah, so obviously, like, your life is just in the four walls of the classroom. Like, all you just do is go to class, you learn, go to sleep, come back to class. Nothing to make you think beyond the box, beyond what is being taught in class. Do you understand? So this is what we are bringing solution to, because people have been asking that, okay, what is this thing about this American Open University? They always say that they are competence based, they are this and that, and
they are hybrid
and all. So it's not looking as if are they truly real. Anyways, we are not like the conventional universities where you just
study. They should even come and try us and see if we are real or not.
Of course, yes. So not just that you just study, you take note and just graduate from the university, which is normal. Even in our school too, you take note and you still graduate from the university. But we give you opportunity to also learn skills, tech skills that will make you valuable, not just space alone, or even globally you are well recognized. Do you understand? So the reality is that the gap between learning and doing is where people get stuck. this is why we are organizing an AI development bootcamp for tech enthusiasts and also professionals. So you don't really have to be like a pro before you come for our bootcamp.
But you have to know something.
Of course, yes, of course. So as an enthusiast, like you are willing to go into tech, and you can obviously opt in for the bootcamp, and it's not what you want to miss because it's loaded. Yes, it's very, very loaded. So in this 5-day bootcamp, you will learn practical steps to develop your real products, your website, for companies, for brands, and for organizations. So the 5 days bootcamp is loaded. It's fully packed.
Fully packed.
Yes, with
knowledge.
Of course.
By the end of this program, every participant will be able to explain core AI concepts, including machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and computer vision. Imagine all this for free. That's not hollow. That's the first part. Another one, you'll be able to use 10 plus AI tools confidently, including Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, IBM Watson Studio, and others. We are not listing everything. You'll be able to apply the Anthropic 4D AI fluency framework, which is delegate, describe, discern, and diligence. You also be able to select the appropriate AI tool for any given task and justify their choice with evidence. Also be able to ideate, conceptualize, prompt, build, and publish a working AI-powered application.
Oh yeah, Debbie, let's talk about that. The fact that you can, build and still publish your work. Do you know that it means that you're not doing something small? Because if you don't do what is worth it, how will you be able to publish it? It means that they are training you to be a better person. Do you understand? Because if you are going to be learning something that you can publish online, it means it's not just like a random app or something. Like it's what is worth it.
That's not only the thing you're going to get, not just knowledge. You also get certificates. You'll be certified with IBM Skills Build. You have AI Fundamental Badge. You have Cisco. We liaise with Cisco and IBM. You also get 2 digital badge with Cisco. Same as Anthropic Academy. You get 2 completion certificates with Anthropic Academy. The good thing is that you don't pay a dime for any of this. It is all free. The certificates, the knowledge, and same as the app you are going to build.
So the structure is very intentional. You start with guided learning, then you move to practical session. The first day will be more of introduction, to what you want to learn. You get to know more about the AI development and all. And from there you move to practical session where you learn how to build, you build a website, application, and then you also build your own application which you can publish online. For you to be able to build application, it's not a small thing, because personally I'm not so deep into tech. So so to me I really envy those people that that can code and do all those things, because it's not a small thing actually. But I want to take my time, I want to build app. Wow,
that is solving people's problems.
Yes. So everything is focused on one outcome. You creating something real that will be able to solve problem. Companies' problem, brands' problem,
Nigerians' problem.
Yes. So this is not designed to be overwhelming. It's designed to be focused, practical, and also outcome driven. So our programs will run across 4 locations in southwestern part of Nigeria. We have in Ogbomosho, Ibadan, Ondo, and Abeokuta. People will be wondering, okay, why is it not happening over there in Abuja? We said we have our location in Abuja in Lagos too. So why is it that we're not bringing it to Abuja and Lagos?
Let me answer that.
Okay.
Well, the program is programmed virtually. It's going to be virtual. The 5 days is going to be virtual, so you can join even if you don't stay in Ondo, Abeokuta, Ogbomosho, or Ibadan. You can join. It's just the pitching day. You have to pick one of the closest states to you to pitch.
So that means that someone that stays in Abuja can easily come to Ondo, because I feel like Ondo is actually still closer to Abuja compared to Abeokuta.
And if you're in Lagos, you can travel down to Abeokuta or Ibadan since they are closer.
Yes, and if you are somewhere in Ibadan, you don't want to come to Ibadan because probably someone you know is coming. You can decide to go to Ogbomoso for your pitch.
Yeah, for the pitch day.
But the point is that just go to the closest location to your
and the most convenient one, because the most convenient and closest to you can go to any of the center to pitch on the day of the pitching. But the course itself, the program itself, is a virtual 5-day virtual program. Now we are on to the most important GST part of the entire program. At the end of the bootcamp day 5, you will publish your work, which is the app which you created, with your community across all social media platforms, and you encourage them to rate or judge what you have done, which is part of the criteria for you to win the scholarship. If you don't know, there's a scholarship to be won. It's only us that can do it.
So sorry to cut in, Debbie. The thing about this is that you'll be wondering that why should they judge me? Why should they rate me? I've done my part. The point is that them judging you will make you know that okay, this is what you really need to improve on. And even though yes, you'll be tagging us, but the thing is, the point is, we really want you to know that okay, there are people that can encourage you online beyond what we beyond our own encouragement and all that. People that can encourage you and that you have done your best in just 5 days, you have been able to build this.
Yeah, imagine a stranger complimenting you. It give you more joy, more morale.
And again, that's even an opportunity for you to also
publicize your work.
Publicize your work, and again, you get to know more people. Because you get to know more people in your field. They will like, oh, so you use this particular application to do this and to do that. And sincerely, it's going to really help you even in your career, because you getting to publish your work and people start commenting on it. Oh, this is what you should improve on. This is really nice. It will really, really help you in your career, especially if you want to build a career in the tech space. So please don't forget to tag us at American Open University, and also we'll be communicating every other details as regards this to you in the course of the training.
This rare opportunity introduces an innovative approach that most learning environments don't have, which is the real-world feedback. We want the real world to give you feedback of the work which you have done. We believe that building in isolation is one thing, and building something people interact with is another. This process gives you a real life project you can point to. Imagine adding this kind of project to your GitHub account.
Of course.
International client. That means you're going global. That's why we call ourselves a global.
Yeah, I've never thought of that before, but that's amazing. Global. Wow.
So the process gives you a real project you can point to, actual user feedback for you to improve on yourself. Some people put app on App Store, Play Store. They always ask for feedback all the time,
like a review.
Like a review. Yeah. So the review will make you maybe work harder. It's not to discourage you, just to make you work harder on it, just to make there's nobody that's above mistake. So that is what the feedback is for, and a clear understanding of what works. This is a different level of learning, one that connects directly to the real world.
Now, beyond the experience itself, there is a major opportunity attached. All participants will be, not all, obviously, not everybody will get the opportunity.
Not everybody will win the scholarship. Yeah.
Okay, so some of the participants will be awarded a full BSc scholarship. Yeah, so you'll not be wondering, oh, so what do I do to get this BSc scholarship? What do I do? Anyways, this means your performance in the program is top notch for you to say that you want to, but for you to win the full scholarship, because now the organizers of this program, they're not the only one judging. Also, people online too also
judge.
Yes, they also judge you,
which
is the feedback. So we work on the feedback from those people, and then we work on what you have done. Are you truly solving a problem? And so your efforts, your execution, and even public management, public engagement. People, they comment on what you have done. That, oh, truly you have really done something. So this really opened door for a much bigger opportunity for you even to win our full BSc scholarship, which is worth 2.1 million naira.
Yes.
Do you know what it is to win a 2.1 million naira
It is
scholarship.
more than 2.1 million naira. That's for 4 years.
Oh, that's true for 4 years. Oh, sorry, I was talking about just a session. But you imagine winning a full basic scholarship, like from your 100 level to your final year. That is big. So you wouldn't really want to miss this opportunity. So the scholarship opportunity, so we'll be having up to 12 winners. Debbie, I think you should help us with that.
Well, the scholarship, let's talk about the scholarship. The scholarship is top 3 participants per campus. Remember, we are our center, we are using our center at Ogbomosho, Ibadan, Ondo, and Abeokuta. That means top 3 participants in Ogbomosho, top 3 participants in Ibadan, top 3 participants in Abeokuta, and top 3 participants in Ondo State. So making up to 12 total winners. The best 3 is going to each, not that 3 of you share one. Each of you are going to get a fully paid scholarship to complete a BSc degree in software engineering or information technology at American Open University. Those are the 2 options of the course you have to win a full scholarship on. So the scholarship will be judged on your problem relevance, your AI usage quality, your app functionality, and your pitch clarity. Remember, there'll be a pitch on this. You're going to pitch your app,
your innovative idea. I mean, how you came about that. The
public social media engagement contribute an additional community score. So you should look into that.
So the last phase, which will be the pitching day, will be in our different locations. So we'll be having it in Ondo, in Ogomosho, and in Ibadan. Also, it's going to be in Abeokuta. We'll be we will communicate the
pitching date.
The pitching day
via the mail you used to register.
Yes. So this will be communicated with you, and
remember, the program is virtual for the 5 days.
Yes,
you have to have good network.
Of course, yes.
A good laptop.
Yes.
Lights. If you don't have lights, go on gen. Or use solar.
Inverter.
Because this opportunity is rare. Don't miss it.
You just imagine an opportunity for you to win a full scholarship
to study software engineering.
But do you know the thing is, it's not just about the full scholarship alone. Even those that will not win the full scholarship, we still have opportunities to get a lot of certificates.
Yes, and then the publicity.
Of course.
Imagine putting yourself out there for people to see
what you have done.
You have done.
Do you know what? That a lot of people just, yesterday I came across a video, and the person who said something he said that many people, they have that potential and all, but they don't put themselves out there. So if you don't put yourself out there, how people know you? I know.
How will you get the connection?
Of course, I know our students will be wondering that, why should I still post what I've done? What if it's not good enough? What if it's this? No, you don't have to think that. Put yourself out there, because you don't even know someone that would like to mentor you from that opportunity.
Would like to invest.
Yes, in you. Because the thing is that as little as you think that stuff that you want to build will be, it could be a very big thing that will solve a very big problem. So this opportunity isn't just the thing that you can just take for granted. It's a rare opportunity that you would not want to miss, because you are getting a whole lot of certificates, globally recognized certificates. And the amazing part is the fact that American Open University is sponsoring all these. American Open University is globally recognized. So you just imagine all this opportunity just for you. You wouldn't want to miss this opportunity. And trust me, it's worth it. It's worth the time. It's worth the effort. It's worth all you can ever imagine. It's worth your data, because people be like, oh, my data. But you're getting a certificate. Yes, they're getting a certificate. And
do you know how much they get certificate out there?
Out there, not just that, you also be learning practical skills, and again, full scholarship. Wow. Please do not miss it. Please don't miss it. Not for any reason.
Then if you're wondering that in 5 days can I create app, 5 days is too small now. You come and join us and see if you really can create in the next 5 days. Just try us and see. So if this resonates with you, the next step is simple. Register for the bootcamp. If you are ready, now is the time. Registration closes today. The link will be in the comment section.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Registration closes today, so do that as soon as you are listening to this live session. For more inquiries about this program, you can send a mail to info@aouniversity.edu.ng, or you visit our website at www.aouniversity.edu.ng, or you can call or WhatsApp, send a WhatsApp text message to 090-1364-0234, or call that again, 090-1364-0234. And if for you to get more information about this program, kindly follow us on all our social media platforms. We'll drop more information there. Thank you for listening to this.
Thank you for listening.
Do have a nice day.
Yeah, have a blessed.
Remember, when we're in the studio is to bring you juicy news
all
the time.
And you know what? I would actually personally, I would like to see you when you are pitching. It's going to be very great
to watch that.
Yes, I would like to see that. I would like to take the opportunity now, because opportunity comes but once.
Bye.